TT Squad, this is Tia. Today I am going to make carved fish. Never even had it before. I'm rinsing it off because I think you're supposed to rinse it off, but never had it before ever. And this is my first time ever cooking. It's called carved fish.
Carb or crawl?
Carb. I guess it's carb. I don't know. See, my son in here balling. And I'm making some Brussels sprouts. Then I'm gonna put in the oven. I'm gonna grill them, put them in the oven, put some garlic on it and some seasoned salt, and put them in the oven. Let them grill for a little while. Then afterwards, I put a little Parmesan cheese in it and let y'all see. But meanwhile, I'm about to start fixing this right here. I'm going ahead and start this up and saute this. I cleaned it off. And guess you got. I put a little garlic on it. I never had it before ever in my life. The doctor said it's very good fish to have because it's high in protein. And I guess, you know, we have to have a lot of protein in it. We try to give us 64 grams of proteins or not to over exceed. Why am I putting this on here? I'm Dutching. Y'all know, okay, I'm about to put that on there, okay? Then I'm going to turn it over, put some pepper on it, more pepper, little garlic. I need to be putting it in my pan. And Italian season. I never made it before, so I'm just going with it. I'm a fry it on top of the stove. And I gotta put a little vinegar oil on this. Olive oil. I don't know if I say vinegar oil. Olive oil on this, and I'm gonna put them in the oven. Bam! I got another bottle around here somewhere. I can't find it. Like you just put something somewhere and you just can't find it, or you always letting stuff out, and that's how it goes. But that being said, I'm about to stick this on here. I got my pan turned down low. And I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook. While that's doing that, I gotta wash my dishes out because I can't leave no dishes here in my sink. Really no dishes in here, I have to put my dishes out because it's gonna be right. Oh, look at the olive oil. With that being said, TT Squad, I'll be right back. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. See, I never cooked this before, so I'm kind of having a hard time with it. I never cooked it. I'm like frying it. It's like coming apart. I don't know when. I don't know. But I got my Brussels sprouts in the oven. My Brussels sprouts in the oven. I guess I'll let this cook for like, gotta cut this on because it's smoking. But it look really meaty, y'all. Let me show y'all. It look really meaty. When I bought it from Giants, got it from Giants, the fresh department. I guess, what do you call it? Not the deli, the seafood department when I got it. But look, it look nice and, I don't know if I'm looking at it, can't you see it? It look fresh. It look good. I don't know if I'm cooking it right. I put some olive oil in. I might have put a little bit too much. I don't know. But I'm about to turn it over. Yeah, I'm just learning how to cook, so anything I'm doing wrong, please put in the comment below so I know next time. Because if I like it, this will be a go-to fish that I eat on a regular. Even though it's coming apart. Maybe I should have baked it instead of cooking it on the stove. I don't know. I thought I was doing something good by putting it on top of the stove. If you give me any suggestions, should I have put it in the oven? I made a mistake by cooking it on top of the stove. Should I cook it on my George Foreman grill? Please y'all let me know. Bye. I'll be back, TT Squad. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. I just took them out the oven, the Brussels sprouts out the oven. So now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of it. Parmesan cheese, and I have pepper jack cheese. It say Parmesan cheese only, but I'm just going to put some pepper jack cheese on it because I got it in here, and I actually like it. And it was in the oven for 20 minutes. And that is it. See y'all? It looks really, really, really good. Let me show y'all what it looks like. A lot of people don't like Brussels sprouts. I think I could have used more, but I'm the only one who's eating it. And a lot of food that I cook is going to waste because I can't eat a lot. But I'm meal prepping. And every day I'm making videos, so I got a lot of food stocked up. So with that being said, I just made enough. Just enough so I can have it for 2 days. Bye, TT Squad. Maybe 3 days. Be right back. TT Squad, I'm back. I took it out the oven. And I don't want to touch this. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, my God. Brussels sprouts look delicious. Like, I think they really came out really. I love Brussels sprouts. And I found a new way to cook them. See? Like, that's how the fish broke all up. But I taste it and I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and try it again. But I need another way to cook it. But I'm going to try it. Like, share, subscribe. I got all this on my plate knowing I'm not going to eat it all. But I had to make the plate look nice. Bye, TT Squad. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.